Hi, in this video, I'm just going to show you how to add blog script on main article. Right now, if you can see, that's the blog overview page where we can see the script is displayed beneath the image. That's the debut theme. And if you go to the single article, there are no script, but only the main content is being displayed. So there's a very simple solution for that. And how it can be done is you have to go to basically article template.liquid, okay? And you can access it in your debut theme. Of course, you need to go there, and then you go to the sections, and then you have to find the first section, which will be named article template.liquid. Okay, so if I close the existing one, okay, and you go to the sections, click on article template, it will open the code for this section. All you have to do is go to line 2, where you will see there is an h1 tag which pulls article title, which is of course this one, okay? And let's suppose if you want to add the script between this line and between this title, so all you have to do is there's a small script which I will share with you in as a written code. You have to paste it here, okay? And if I explain, there's a if logic. So if article script size is bigger than 0, which means if you have something in this article script field, then it will display the article script with this p tag and that class assigned to it. I assign this class so you can implement any custom css if you want to this article. So I'm gonna save it, and once it's saved, you can go to the article page and hit refresh. And soon as it refreshes the page, you will see the article script, which is basically just right here, okay, will be displayed under the main title. That's all. Let me know if you need any further help. Thank you.